Hey Chad, I heard it's like raining right now. What the hell? Bruh. Apparently, holy shit, it's thundering too. I swear to God, it was fucking sunny earlier. And then I think when I actually started coming back from picking up food at Arbor, it just started raining. Like I felt something like drop and I thought it was like the trees or something. No, it's fucking raining right now. What the hell?
2 hours later.
I decided it was high time to get some food. And I got a double cheeseburger from For the Win in Van Nuys. So let's try it out. Of course, you gotta like the crispy edges, and yeah, still pretty juicy even after getting it delivered here, but still pretty good. Now for the fries. This guy's the fucking tombstone.
Got nothing out there. You got one.
You got air scene. Hell yeah, bro. I got Nate. And also, damn, why isn't he laying down on the chair either? How's it going, gang? We almost finished first run through. We had to start mountain again, but we're about to move to Manager Square. How's moving props though?
It's pretty fun.
Yeah.
It's fun. With a lot of people, it makes it so much thing easier.
Yeah. How about you? How's moving props?
No, I'm a little burnt out, that's why.
How was being the door though?
Let us know.
Yep. It's time for the 17th installment of Photo of the Day. This picture I took because it decided to just randomly start raining like around the time I got food earlier, and I kind of decided just to take a picture of like the area next to the Season Library, especially with like the palm trees that are here. And I kind of like the little like the reflections off of the like ground from like I guess the puddles and stuff. Composition I feel like could be a little bit better, but I just wanted to take this since it was raining today. And yeah, I think also I guess when it's overcast or like raining, that's kind of like good lighting. Yeah, this is pretty much what I got for today. The joy you've given me. You touched my soul. If only you can see the sound of your laughter, ha ha, the words of your smile. Came to making every day worthwhile. You gave me the strength to dream. You taught me how to fly. I have soared the highest mountain. I've never flown so high. It's all because you believed in me, my foster family.
6 days on me, 6 on 6 days on me, 6 days on 3. 1, 2, 3.
6 days! Finally, fucking done with practice, and I'm so freaking tired. But it was fucking worth it. How was practice, Codes?
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. How was practice?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's just really cold.
Yeah. We did really good today.
Yes, we did do really good. Our second run through. First run through was a little rough, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.